They may seem like little things, but they have the power to elevate your products from just okay to amazing. So today I'll show you what microinteractions are, real examples you can learn from, and how to apply them to your designs. What are microinteractions? Microinteractions are subtle functional animations or feedback cues that help users complete a task or understand that something has happened. Think of them as your product's body language. They are everywhere, from a button changing color on hover to an icon pulsing when you tap on it. Instagram's like button is a classic example. The moment you double tap a post, there's a subtle bounce animation which is fun, responsive, and gives instant feedback. A great microinteraction is made up of 4 parts. 1. Trigger, rules, feedback, loops, and modes. Let's break it down. A trigger is what initiates the interaction. For example, when you click a button, when you hover above a button, or when you swipe across a carousel. Rules are what happens as a result of the trigger. The feedback is what users see, hear, or feel in response to the trigger. The loops and modes is how it behaves over time or in different contexts. Is the interaction going to be continuous? How long is it going to take? What's the next line of action? And so on. After sending an email in Gmail, you will see a undo send toast with a progress animation. The trigger is sending an email, and the feedback is a temporary option to undo the sending email, which is a lifesaver. Where can we use microinteractions? Here are 5 key places to include microinteractions in your design system. 1. Buttons for hover or click. 2. Form inputs for validations and errors. 3. Onboarding tutorial flows. 4. Alerts. 5. Navigations. Let's talk about best practices for microinteractions. Keep it fast, aim for under 400 milliseconds. 2. Be consistent, use the same type of interaction across similar components. 3. Stay purposeful. Avoid animations for just animation's sake or to prove that we know how to make these interactions, thereby taking away the real purpose of using them. 4. Consider accessibility. Provide alternatives for users who may not see or feel sort of feedback. Apple's toggle switch provides tactile haptics, visual change, and sound. This layered feedback works well across all user groups. Why does microinteractions matter in design? For what it's worth, they build trust, they reduce users' frustration, and they improve usability by providing immediate contextual feedback. They also add personality and brand identity to your products. Speaking of immediate and contextual feedback, Slack's typing indicator lets you know someone is typing or replying your message. It's simple, but it reassures you that a response is on the way. Interactions may be small, but they pack a punch. Whether it's making your app feel more responsive, playful, or just more human, they are essential in modern UX. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on how you've used microinteractions in your project, and see you in the next one.